Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert ETH to USDT in MEXC. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your MEXC app, and then on the home page, you need to tap on the more option. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could get 8,000 plus USDT as sign up bonus. Now, once you are over here, you need to simply tap on the convert option, and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now, by default, USDT will be in this from section, so you need to tap on the arrow option so that it could come in the to section. Now, in the from section, tap on this drop down menu and use the search bar in the top in order to search for Ethereum. You can even type ETH, and then once you are able to find it, you need to simply select it. Now, this is quite slow, so you need to just provide that, and you need to select Ethereum. Now, once it is selected successfully, it should look something like this, where Ethereum is on the top and your USDT is in the bottom. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT or Ethereum that you want to convert into USDT, and it will show you the equivalent amount. Once you enter the amount, the preview conversion option will be activated, so you need to simply tap on that, and you will be given 10 to 15 seconds in order to complete that conversion. So you need to simply select that, and you will be able to convert from Ethereum to USDT in MEXC. Now, for any reason, if you are not able to use this option, but you can see this option is available, but since if you are not able to get this option, I would recommend you to come on the home page and then tap on the trade option in the bottom, and over here you need to select the ETH/USDT pair. So use the search bar in the top and search for ETH/USDT. Then select the sell option, and here enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to sell, and you can convert that into USDT with this method as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.